Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of depth.org. So this website we are going to learn about debt consolidation. Debt consolidation is an effective solution for consumers overwhelmed by credit card debt. It can be done with or without a loan. Consolidation should reduce the interest rate on debt, thus reducing the monthly payment. What is debt consolidation? Debt consolidation is a sensible financial strategy for consumers tackling credit card debit, credit card debt, sorry. Consolidation merges multiple bills into a single debt that is paid off monthly through a management plan or consolidation loan. Debt consolidation reduces the interest rate on your debt and lowers monthly payments. This debt relief option untangles the mess consumers face every month trying to keep up with multiple bills and multiple deadlines from multiple card companies. In its place is a simple remedy: one payment to one source once a month. That consolidation requirements. Any form of consolidation requires you to make monthly payments, which means that you must have a steady source of income. If you are looking at a debt consolidation loan, the second requirement is that you can be credit worthy. Lenders regard your credit score as the most obvious sign of your credit worthiness. If your score is above 740, you are definitely good to go. If it's between 670 and 739, you probably qualify but may pay a higher interest rate. It's possible you qualify with a score below 670, but what you likely will get is a bad credit consolidation loan with an interest rate so high. It may not be a worthwhile option. If you choose debt management as your consolidation program, there is no loan involved and credit score is not a factor. What are your debt consolidation options? There are several avenues open to consolidate debt, including a debt management plan, home equity loan, personal loan, credit card balance transfer, and borrowing from a saving or retirement account. The route you choose should be based on research and whether the solution offered fits your budget and time frame. Your credit score and debt to income ratio are factors. If you choose to get any kind of consolidation loan, you may also choose to pursue online debt consolidation. Here is a quick look to each option. Debt management plan. The goal for debt management plan is to reduce the interest rate on credit card debt to 8%, sometimes less, lower monthly payment, and eliminate debt in 3 to 5 years. These plans are offered by non-profit counseling agencies who receive concessions on interest rates from credit card companies to arrive at an affordable monthly payment. Personal loan. This is a form of consolidation loan that could come from a bank, credit union, peer-to-peer lender, family member or friend. Personal loans usually are unsecured, meaning the borrower doesn't put up any collateral. That could rest in a higher interest rate and less money available for the loan. A good credit score will help lower the interest rates. Credit card balance transfer. A balance transfer card allows you to move the balance from your cards to new card and make payments at 0% interest for an introductory period, usually 12 to 18 months. There usually is a fee of 3 to 5% of the amount transferred. To qualify, you typically need a credit score above 670, the balance must be paid before the introductory period ends or interest rates are applied. Home equity loan. If you have equity in your home, meaning you owe less than the house's market value, consider a home equity for that consolidation. The interest rate is only slightly higher than mortgage rate because your home serves as collateral. However, you could lose the house to foreclosure if you miss payments on the home equity loan or home equity line of credit. Hello, retirement or savings account. A 401k retirement plan or bank savings account could be used to pay off credit card debt, though experts would advise against both choices. With a 401k loan, you are borrowing your own money, so there is no credit check and rates are low, but there is a penalty for taking out money before the age of 59.5, 59 and a half. So this is all. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.